Well, I would say it's finally here. First big snowstorm of 2015. Doesn't look like much because my camera isn't picking it up, but oh, it's snowing pretty good. Well, may not be showing up too good here, but yeah, a snowstorm's here. Woo! And it's blowing and starting to drift around my truck. Oh yeah. You can see it up here by the light, how much it's blowing and whipping around in snow. How hard it's coming down. So, just thought I'd do a quick video, show you the first snowfall of the year. Finally made it here. By morning, that'll be, because this is a wind track through here, that'll probably be, oh, it's way up here on my truck, easily. So, alright, there we go. They're calling it Snowstorm Ashley. Time to go in. You can see here how deep it is. Well, let me turn on the light here. There. Couple inches already. And that drift's about 2 feet deep now. I guess it's been about, I don't know, not quite an hour and a half. And I wish you could see it, how it's blowing in sideways and in circles and... Oh. Kind of see over there. Well, whipping and blowing in circles. So if we got that much in, oh, about an hour, hour and a half, well, like I said, that's, I don't know, 3 inches, 4 inches, whatever it is. This could be a doozy. Holy crap. I'd say she ramped up now. She's really going. Well, everybody wanted snow. It's here now. So I showed how much snow we had down here just a half hour ago. Well, I guess it's, I shouldn't say that. It's been about an hour now. Well, now it's about a foot. So it went from 4 inches to a foot in, oh, I don't know, an hour. She is getting wild now. Boy, if you could see what out there, it is really blowing. Yep, I'd say it's gonna be gusting 50 miles an hour. It's probably doing 35, 40 right now. So, okay, that's it. I'll show you in the morning what it looks like, because it's getting nasty. I gotta shut the door.